दास्तान करबला एपिसोड 4।
औज़ुबिल्लाहिमिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम इन्नल हुसैना मिस्बाहुल हुदा व सफीनतुन निजात. Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, Hussein is the lamp of hidayat and the boat of salvation. I have discussed this hadith in the previous episodes. Today I am going to discuss a new hadith of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, which is also based on our Imam Hussain alayhi salam. When Imam Hussain alayhi salam was born, then Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam took him on his hand, and then he said, Allah who loves Hussain, you love him, and who hate Hussain, you hate him. Rasul Khuda was the Habib-e Khuda. He was known as Habib-e Khuda. Habib means the friend, but Khalil also means the friend. Hazrat Ibrahim was Khalilullah and Prophet Muhammad was Habibullah. So what is the difference? Khalil is a friend who loves his friend. That means that Prophet Ibrahim loved Allah. But Habib is a friend who is loved by his friend. Means Prophet Muhammad alayhi salam sallallahu alaihi wasallam was loved by Allah. So Prophet Muhammad is the Habib-e Khuda and he is Khalil-e Khuda. Then Habib means the friend, and many more meanings it have. So Imam Hussain alayhi salam, when he was born in Medina, Prophet said, Allah, make him, keep him your friend. Who keep friend to Imam Hussain, and who hate Imam Hussain alayhi salam, you also hate. Now Mehboob-e Khuda is saying that the Mehboob of Mehboob-e Khuda is Imam Hussain alayhi salam. Imam Hussain alayhi salam was very beautiful and brave. His name is from Husn. When Imam Hussain alayhi salam used to come out, one day when Imam Hussain came, he was going from away. At there was a shop of a butcher. He was doing his work and Imam passed by. Then he was looking at the face of Imam Hussain alayhi salam, and at the time when he was looking to the face of Imam Hussain, he cut off his hand. Then the people came together, and then they saw the cut hand, and then Imam, when he came behind, then they told that he was looking at you, and then he cut his hand. Imam Hussain alayhi salam said him to show the hand. He showed the hand to Imam Hussain. Imam Hussain kept his hand on his hand, and as he kept the hand, the cut which was there on the hand got disappeared, and his hand was totally okay. So whoever is losing his blood for Imam Hussain alayhi salam, Imam Hussain alayhi salam is also giving something to them. So Imam Hussain alayhi salam was martyred in Karbala at 10th of Muharram. Tomorrow I have presented, yesterday I have presented about the three martyrs of Karbala: Zuhair bin Qayn, Janab-e-Hur and Wahab Kalbi. Now today I am going to present the martyr of Janab Habib ibn Mazahir. In Karbala, when Imam Hussain alayhi salam came in Karbala, on 4 Muharram, Shimr came with his army, and then he told to have the tent of Imam Hussain alayhi salam to keep it somewhere else, away from the Darya Furat. Imam did that, but now Janab Zainab asked Imam Hussain that every day the army of Yazid comes, why not any guest of you come? Then Imam Hussain alayhi salam wrote a letter to Janab Habib ibn Mazahir. that Habib, I am alone in Karbala, please come to my help. As Janabe Habib got that letter, at that time he was on his lunch, and then the door was knocked. Habib asked, who? Then he said, I am the messenger, the qasid of Imam Hussain. Then he said, Allah, this food is your risk, but Hussain is your hujjat. Then he got up and then he opened the door. And then he opened it and took the letter which Imam Hussain alayhi salam had sent it. He read that to Habib ibn Mazahir by Hussain ibn Ali. That letter says, Habib, I am alone in Karbala, please come to my help. Now, Janab Habib ibn Mazahir he wanted to go Karbala as soon as he can. Then when he came inside, her wife saw him and said, what Hussain ibn Ali alayhi salam had wrote in the letter. Then he wanted to take her test. Then he said that Imam Hussain had called me to Karbala. I am thinking, should I go or not go? Then his wife said that if you will not go, give me your sword, I will go and I will fight from the side of Imam Hussain. Then Janab Habib said, no, I will go. Exactly, I will go. And then he sent a servant of him out of Kufa with his horse and said, when there will be less soldiers, then I will come out. Then when Janab Habib ibn Mazahir was going out of the Kufa, he saw Janab Muslim ibn Ausija. Janab Muslim ibn Ausija told that, Habib, where are you going? Habib said, I am going to Karbala to help Imam Hussain. Janab Muslim ibn Ausija said, wait for me, I will also come. Then they both came to Karbala, and then on the day of Ashura, Janab Habib ibn Mazahir, when he got the permission and he went in the battlefield, he fought for a long time. He was a very old man. He was not young at Karbala. So he fought for a long time, but when he got the injuries from the arrows, swords and the spears, then he came down from the horse, and then when Imam Hussain alayhi salam reached to him, he had been martyred in Karbala and he sacrificed his life to Imam Hussain alayhi salam. So this was the story of Janab Habib ibn Mazahir. How Janab Habib ibn Mazahir reached Karbala and he presented his life, he sacrificed his life on Imam Hussain alayhi salam. So I hope you all have liked this video, and if you all have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel Zikre Karbala. Khuda Hafiz.
Thanks for watching and subscribe my channel Zikre Karbala. Khuda Hafiz.